afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome, welcome. And this time I'm welcoming you to my 3,114th edition of Short-Term Trading, live with Oscar Carboni. Wow, traders, are these markets going crazy or what? Great stuff on the board. We're going to talk about it in just a moment. But something really cool happened, and I thought we'd look at it together. Bad enough I'm a Jets fan my whole life, right? We got that to deal with. You know, I got my little football. It stays with me wherever I go. But I moved to Vegas, and there were no teams here at all. And then Vegas decided that they were going to bring a football team in, the Raiders. And I thought, okay, the Jets have done nothing for me for my entire life. The Raiders are moving in. Maybe I can share and be like kind of a Jet fan and maybe a Raider fan. So I went and bought season tickets to the Raiders. And you know what? It's even worse than being a Jet fan. This is like slap, slap. Why did you spend the money, Oscar? Are you stupid? So here we are, a few years deep. I don't know who's worse, the Raiders or the Jets. They both suck, and that's the way it is. Sorry, Raiders. Sorry, Jets, but it is what it is. But they do something very cool every year. They send out a gift to season ticket holders. So you never know what you're going to get. It shows up in a box. And as I was about to open this, I was just going to rip it open. I said, you know what? Let's do this on camera. Let's see what they sent us this year. So I kind of ripped it, but I didn't go in and see what it is. Now, usually, like the last time I got like a replica of Raider Stadium, and when you open it up, you hear the sound. It's got the tickets in it. Year before that, it was like a really cool thing you hang on the wall with all the season tickets in it. You never know what you're going to get. This is kind of heavy. This one's a little different. Let's see what's in here. Starts out with a bag. We get to keep the bag. Thank you for the price of the season tickets. Are you kidding me, people? All right. Nice box. Not sure what's in it yet, but it looks like I'm going to do surgery on somebody. Oh, wow, my name's on there. Look at that. How cool is that? All right. Hey, man, it's monogrammed for me. Let's see what we got. It's probably the tickets and some pictures. Oh, dig this. Las Vegas. They're not stupid at all, are they? Look what they gave us this year. Now, how cool is that? Raider chips, Raider cards, Raider dice. And these would be the tickets that they give out. They're beautiful tickets. You know what? Let me put this down for a minute. The tickets are absolutely beautiful. So you can use these or you can use your electronic tickets, but every ticket is usually one of the players, and it's got some great stats. They're just really pretty to look at. Some years they're in color. Just beautiful stuff. And all the stats and everything are on there. Now you can use these at the game if you want to, but you don't have to. You can just use your phone. Anyhow, well, thank you, Raiders. This is a much better gift than usual. That was absolutely worth sitting through 5 years of losing. Yes, for sure, that was worth it. What do you think, David? Was that worth 5 years of agony?
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, we'll make use of it. We'll have to use those chips. Traders, trading is risky. It's about as risky as being a Jets fan and expecting them to win the Super Bowl. So always put your stops in, put them in first. And hey, you never know. Maybe one day before I die, the Jets will actually get to the Super Bowl. I don't need a win, guys. Just get there. That'd be all right. All right, so let's see what's on the board. Crude oil went down. T-bonds went up, meaning interest rates went down. And the markets responded. Did everybody see that insane rally? All-time new highs have been made in even the S&P and in the YM. All downside short-term targets were negated in my previous video to this because as soon as we had an up bar, which got us back into those formations we were looking at for the last 2 weeks, I came out with a video to negate those downside calls. They were always short-term, as you know, because the Omni long-term calls for the end of the year, 7,800, then 80.55, and if necessary, there is a third one I can put up here, which I conjured up in the beginning of the year. If we get through 80.55, we'll put the third target. But I'll tell you this right now. ES target number one, year-end target, 78, is in full view, kids. We're like 77.50 as I speak. Target number two is expected this year. You might end up at target number three. Why? Because the only thing stopping us, and you've heard me say this in video after video after video, the economy is humming. Money's coming in like crazy. The only thing that's been stopping us has been crude oil and interest rates. Those guys went in the right direction and the markets went crazy. Now, albeit our president, or at least the administration, called off a big war that was supposed to happen over the weekend, and markets responded to that for the last 2 days. But I only look at the markets left side, right side, that make the middle move. T-bonds and crude oil are making the S&P move. I don't care what that fundamental was. That's just part of the game. We knew that if T-bonds went up and crude went down, the market was supposed to explode, but who expected it that fast, right? A round of applause. Fantastic there. So, the downside targets, as you know in our last video before this one, were negated. Crude oil going in the right direction, T-bonds going in the right direction has made the market go crazy. We've got a green Omni again for trading on Wednesday. Number one target, ES, 7,800, almost hit already. Number two, in focus. And the OMNIPHOENIX is just kicking ass, kids. You OmniX around the world, I love all of you. Thank you so much for what you do. If anyone comes in and tries to get out of their Omni tokens, the other OmniX around the world, buy them up immediately. Thank you, thank you. That's what we're supposed to do. And we'll start to take this much higher. Remember, we're in midsummer. It's only, first week of August. Yeah, first week of August still. You got to wait. September rolls in, all the traders come back, and everybody hits their desks, and there all the markets will go. And then we'll stimulate and advertise. The OmniPhoenix will go even crazier. Get yourselves into OmniPhoenix. Get yourselves in now. Do not miss the big move. We're going up to 10x. Get yourselves in. Omniacs all over this world are getting in constantly, and I want you to do the same. David, that sounded like an alert to me. How about you? Oh, yeah, do you hear that? All right, traders, so I'm going to have to be quick about this. We're going to go look at some charts. We're going to go look at them in just a moment, and the charts will tell you everything about what you're seeing on this board. Remember that, and remember this. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. We're going to go look at some charts, but we're in a gold trade, and it's winning, and that's my alert to take some profits. I'll see you in a minute. Traders, before we get into the chart segment, a reminder, we've got Omni Camp September 10th through the 14th here in Las Vegas. There are only 3 open seats remaining. Go to OmniBootcamp.com right now. Fill out those Omni Camp applications. In fact, take a look at what these last Omni Campers said that we're here for camp. I'm sure you'll be convinced to come out. Have a quick look, and then we'll take a look at the charts.
Oscar's teaching, he's very patient. I mean, he'll help you if you're having troubles, and he can take someone that's doesn't know much to someone that knows a lot. And if you have questions, he'll answer the questions. And if there's an issue, or if you have difficulties in doing something, he'll just keep doing it until you master it.
He's kind of loud. It's great. Like he's exciting. He's entertaining. And as a teacher, he's great because he'll answer any question. He's patient. He'll challenge you. So yeah, it's been great.
All right, traders, so make sure you come out to Omni Camp. Go to Omni Boot Camp now and fill out those applications. Only 3 of you are being chosen. The other 2 are already picked. All right, we're looking at crude oil. Crude oil went down. Yeah, baby. Good juju for the stock market. Crude oil went down, but not only did it go down, if you traders have been following me, for the traders who have been following me for many years, you've seen this chart being used for years on end, and I call this the equilibrium zone. Where's the price that makes crude oil wreak havoc on our markets? And where's the price where it makes the markets start to move higher? That would be this equilibrium zone right here. When we went up, the markets had a lot of trouble, the stock market, and look where we are now. We're back down below the equilibrium zone, and you've seen a 2-day rally in the stock market already. Things are just warming up. Then on the other side of that equation, T-bonds had a nice fat rally. Look at the size of that bar. Had a nice fat rally, and take a look. Now, what happened after T-bonds rallied up? That makes interest rates go down. T-bonds rallied up, crude oil went down, and look what it did to the stock market. Oh my God. All you can say is, wow. Traders, we negated, by the way, those downward targets. As soon as we got back into this formation, I went out and did a video and told everyone all those downside targets are now negated, back to the upside, and away we go. In fact, I tried to get OMNIPHOENIX long this morning right here at 76.23. The low was 76.29. It just about got there and rallied 150 points. We almost got a fill this morning. No fill, damn it. Maybe we'll get a fill this tonight. We'll see what happens. We're already in gold, and that's making money. Next, the Russell 2000. Crude oil went down, T-bonds went up, and Russell 2000 did this. It broke out of the channel. The channels are shifting. They're back to where they belong. Upwards channels now are starting to build again. You got to love what you're seeing in the Russell 2000. It hasn't made all-time new highs yet. That would be this red line right here. But it sure is on its way up. Take a look at this next chart. Look at the YM all-time new highs right there, baby. These are the old highs. Look at what that did. Omni's still loving what it sees there. Next on the block, NASDAQ. Now, NASDAQ has a long way to go to get back to its highs, and boy, does it want to get there, and it's trying real hard, but look at what it did. Got above the average, got above that channel. Now you got to love what you see in NASDAQ. So, rock and roll, kids. We are buying dips. Now you've got the weekly, traders. Remember the NASDAQ weekly? When we were down here, I kept saying it's a weekly chart. Don't forget it's a weekly. You got to let it end at the end of the week. And finally, at the end of the week, it went here and settled inside or above the channel. Saved us. Then we came back down week 1, week 2, and week 3. But look where we are now. It only spent a little bit of time correcting. The correction is done. We're back above the channel on the weekly. And I promise you, Wall Street is responding. Bravo to the markets and the unbelievable resilience of these markets. This is during a war on, war off, inflation, crude oil, and look at these markets. Just unbelievable. Now we've got Bitcoin, which is actually on the other side of this equation, kids. Bitcoin is still reacting to the bear flag after hitting the top of the bear flag right here. In fact, I think we got to change gears on this one. Let's go with red. So far, it's doing what it did here. And now that it hit here, it's on its way down. The same thing happened when it hit here in the last flag. When it hit here, it dropped, and here it dropped. When it hit here, it dropped. So the flags tend to work. This one worked, right? We dropped out of the flag. This one worked. We dropped out of the flag. This one is working. Bitcoin is in a completely different place. Probably a lot of this has to do with the Clarity Act, and no one knows what's going to happen with it. Will it be signed? Will it not be signed? Kick it down the road. No one knows what to do with Bitcoin until they sign that, and Bitcoin is showing bear flag after bear flag after bear flag. So we're not buying Bitcoin tomorrow, but you know what we are buying? The OMNIPHOENIX, baby. Look at it go. Traders keep coming in anytime it does a technical move like in a trend line. Traders come right back in. We are higher. We're up here right now. I didn't get a chance to show you because I printed the chart hours ago, but we're already higher than where we were when I printed the chart. Get your OMNIPHOENIX. It is the Omni Worldwide Token. Get it now. Coinbase wallet, go to Coinbase, Phantom Wallet, Pump.fun, or just about any exchange. OMNIPHOENIX, these are its call letters. Below this video is all the information you'll need. Please get in now because when this summer's over, we're going up, up, up. It's going up already, but boy, are we going to push when the summer's over. Get in, kids. You only got a few weeks left before the blast off.